What's going on, everybody? It's Alex, and I'm back with another video. Today, I want to talk um about the VWAPs when it comes to the stock market. It's these purple, pink, and yellow lines that you see here on my chart. If you guys want to know how to add them, you just simply go to Studies, uh, edit or add studies, and you can just type in VWAP, and it should pop up just like on my screen. Sorry. So what are these lines? These lines could be used to identify the direction or the potential a stock has. So, for example, as you see here, they act as support and resistance, just depending of where the candlesticks are. So you can see here we're looking at ticker symbol TQQQ. It started off on the day right here, right below the middle VWAP. The VWAP usually acts as a support, the purple line, but because it broke it, it tends to shot up, which that's how it's used to identify potential for a stock market to go up. So when it usually breaks the middle VWAP, it tends to show that the stock will continue to uptrend near the top VWAP. So that's how you identify it once it breaks it. Um, it doesn't always happen. It could tend to pull back, but that's why you wait for a confirmation. You wait for the stock to break the middle VWAP, go up a little, pull back, and start to show signs of an uptrend that it'll continue to go up. That's how you identify when the stock will continue to uptrend. So we see here that the stock reached the SMA indicator, it started to downtrend. It broke the middle VWAP. It should have been a new support. It broke it. That means the stock is showing signs that it's going to continue to downtrend, and it did. It continued to downtrend. It hit the bottom VWAP as a support. It bounced back up. It hit the middle VWAP, which is its resistance now, because now that it is trending below, that means it has new supports and new resistance, correct? So that means when it was up here, this was its resistance, and this middle VWAP was the support. But now that it has broken below its previous support, it now has a new support and a new resistance. So now that it is down here, that means that the yellow line, the bottom VWAP, is now its new support, and the purple line, the middle VWAP, is now its new resistance. And you see here, it bounces at the support, pulls back at the resistance, comes back down, bounces at the support, and starts to uptrend. And here it breaks the middle VWAP, and like I said, usually when it tends to break the middle VWAP, it's showing signs that the stock will continue to uptrend, and it did. And not only did it do that, it pulled back. Like I said, wait for the pullback confirmation, and when it pulls back and shows signs of an uptrend, that is the best time to possibly, well, best time in my eyes to buy up your positions, because now not only did it break its previous resistance and now has a new support, but you have the confirmation that this stock will continue to go up in your favor, and which it did. And once it broke this, it had a growth of 3.3%. You know, not bad. It's a pretty good percentage. If we take a look at another stock, we can look here at LABD. Here's another one. Okay. You can. That's why you have to be patient, guys. You have to be patient because you never know if the stock will break the VWAP or not. If it will just continue to downtrend or continue to uptrend. You don't know. So it's about being patient, guys. You can see here it had an aggressive descending pattern right here, and it bounced at the bottom VWAP and the SMA line. They're right at each other. Started to uptrend again, broke the middle VWAP, continued to uptrend, hit the top VWAP, and these two, the top VWAP and the middle VWAP, became its new support and resistance. You can see here it pulled back as the top VWAP, bounced at the middle VWAP, hit highs again of 43.62, and it started to pull back once it hit the top VWAP again. And that's how you guys identify and use the VWAP to your advantage, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you guys out a little. And remember, guys, be patient, be self-disciplined, and work hard to your success. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.